SciTech!
Connecting!
Communicating!
Collaborating.
SciTech is an after-school program for girls in grades 4 through 8 in schools serving underrepresented populations throughout San Diego, California.
The program uses the principles of project-based learning to foster interest and excitement in the fields of science, technology, and engineering.
Over the last 3 years, we have seen significant increase in the girls' self-concepts and their attitudes towards science and science careers.
However, we have found that many girls struggle to understand how science relates to their lives outside of school.
The proposed project will extend the learning process beyond after-school programs by connecting science to the girls' home lives.
Access to technology is limited in many homes, creating a disconnect between the modality of learning in these different settings.
However, through access to mobile devices, the parents of SciTech participants can engage in experiences that support learning and demonstrate the science is important.
Through innovative applications of mobile technology, SciTech participants will be able to share their excitement with family and community members and to get them involved and engaged in the activities and projects from school.
My technology at home is a laptop, and I use it for playing games in it.
If we were to use a tablet for SciTech and to be at home, I would use it for, instead of taking an actual huge book and writing everything down, we actually have this tablet that will record everything that you write in it, and instead of getting help from somebody and they don't have the time, we could watch videos and see the experiment actually happening instead of just a book that just shows you a picture about what's happening afterwards or before, and not a whole video of what's going to happen and the procedure and all that.
I would think that it would just make it 10 times easier to do a project, depending on whatever they're doing, working independently, going through different websites, even just sharing the information, if it's emailing it to a specific instructor or even a friend or her buddy who's working on it at the same time, and having that communication and being able to have it all in hand. How cool would that be to just walk around with it and take a picture of something, and if you don't know what it is, ask for help and somebody will respond back to you. Everything that you need is in this. No books are needed anymore, and I think this is just amazing, and I think it would be a great asset to use.
There are many ways in which technology can support science learning after school and at home. Here are just a few examples.
Girls can be given the opportunity to investigate everyday science found in their community by interviewing a local scientist, such as a parent cooking dinner or a neighbor planting a garden.
Project NOAA is a mobile application which helps students to identify local plants and animals found in their community to be used in scientific data collection through the Citizen Science Project.
Google Sky Map can allow students and their families to track stars and constellations at night.
Blogs and wikis are an essential function of collaboration between the participating SciTech schools and students.
Application for geocaching, such as CGeo, from the Android market gives students the guidance to create everyday, self-conducted treasure hunts around their neighborhood.
Our collaboration with a local high school provides SciTech with bilingual take-home science experiments, which can be done at home with family members. Take a look at an example of this electromagnet investigation with one of our SciTech families.
De la batería. Mídalo con su regla, 8 pulgadas. Déjelo al lado alrededor del clavo, dejando 8 pulgadas del otro lado del clavo sin enrollarse. O sea, deje esto sin enrollar.
Integrating mobile technology into the SciTech program will empower students and family to connect, communicate, and collaborate about the science found in their communities.